Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we at the Dollar Tree and they have so many amazing new items. Check this out. So first up, my love, they have this amazing eyeshadow fortune teller, past, present, future, Madame Ruby eyeshadow palette for $1.25. Look at the color. One appears to be a little on the flimsy side, but other than that, honey, these colors are nice. Now, I'm just wondering, are they like the eyeshadows that I previously purchased? If you guys have not checked that video out yet, make sure you do so. The link will be up at the top of this video. Honey, I am excited. This is a steal deal. And look at the mirror right there, girls. All right, my love, so I have came back in the house, honey. It's a scorching one out there. But just in case, if you guys don't have a chance to watch the other videos, or if you haven't caught yourself with my other videos, look, so Dollar Tree has all these amazing eyeshadow palettes, okay? Now, one of them, I did notice it wasn't as bright, and of course, my youngest daughter, she sure told me, you know, it's not given.
I told you when to stop. You mean like brighter colors. It's not really given. That would be the judge.
All right, now they have this one. This is the Remy Circus Clown Eyeshadow Palette. It has some gorgeous colors, but with this yellow, it wasn't as bright. Like I had to build, meaning I had to keep on applying the eyeshadow on. But for $1.25, honey, not bad at all. It also comes with the mirrors. All of the eyeshadow palettes, they all come with the mirrors. This one, absolutely love this. It was $1.25 as well. And then they also have the Happy Unicorn. Oh, this is the only one that didn't come with the mirror. Party Like a Glittery Unicorn. It has all glitter, honey. If you're a glittery girl, if you love glitter, honey, this one is definitely for you. They also have the Heavenly Hues Trim Beauty. And this one was nice. Absolutely love this one. Out of all of them, I would definitely have to say, by far, this is the best one, in my opinion. Absolutely loved it. It's high pigmented. You see this gold. Really, really cute. You don't have to keep on building like the other one that I showed you guys. This is more so subtle. More on, I want to say, like on the classy side. All right, $1.25. Get into it. Let me know which one you guys prefer or like the best. The one that I showed you today or these gorgeous four. So, my loves, I heard that you guys was looking for some blush. This is the new Giovanni from Dollar Tree. It has the 2 shades of blush, and it also have the brush, $1.25. Honey, it gets better than this. So I thought Dollar Tree only had like one shade, well, one compactor, well, 2 different colors, okay, but they have 3. They have this one, the orange and pink looking one, then they also have the pink and purple, then they also have the dark pink and the light pink. Absolutely love this. It also comes with that little brush like I mentioned. This is cute. So I heard you guys was looking for all new items. Oh, you are going to like this Dollar Tree haul, child. I could assure you that. Check these items. So first up, who said Dollar Tree isn't delivering? They have the Man Cave Olive Stone Face Scrub, natural skincare. This is $1.25. They also have the Gentleman's Hydrating Lotion, $1.25 as well. They are out here showing out Dollar Tree. Now, they also have Yes to Tomatoes Daily Balancing Moisturizer with tomatoes to balance skin, blemish prone skin. This is $1.25 as well. They also have the Oatmeal Milk Toner, Oatmeal and Snow Mushroom. Now, we had seen these a few days ago. Let us know in the comment section if you guys have tried this, and if so, how was it? This is $1.25. So Dollar Tree also have new Yes to Grapefruit Brightening for dull and uneven skin. Vitamin C Glow Boosting Unicorn Mud Mask, $1.25. You're looking for name brands, you definitely want to come to Dollar. They also have the Spa Bella. Now, this is an anti-stress therapy eye pillow memory foam. This is $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Wet and Well Tame and Define. This is a natural definition clear gel formula for natural definition, lifts and separate lashes, grooms and set brows, $1.25. Okay, I am stoked. Look at this. So this is the dinnerware set, heavy duty plastic, ideal for everyday use. They have the plates, 9-inch plates, 7-inch plates. They also have the 16-ounce cups, forks, spoons, knives, 48 pieces. The color is white. Now, it has the red sticker on here, so I don't know if this is going to be more than $5, but currently is up under the $5 tag dinnerware set, so I guess it's $5. Now, another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is the LED bedside reading light. This is $5. This is cute. I like this. Look at this, like a little wand. Now, Dollar Tree also have the stackable pumpkins, 24-inch, and the price has increased. So I'm guessing that this is about $6 because they do have the red stickers on them. Now, if you guys are still looking for some fall items, Halloween items, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous table runners, and I believe these are going up to $1.50. They do have the red tag on them. They also have the fabric garland over here, $1.50. Absolutely love this. They have decorative picks over here, 5 pieces, $1.50. Mushrooms, $1.50 as well. They also have the maple leaves, 50 pieces for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield Craft Kits, 2 sets. This is $1.50. Now, other gorgeous items, you know, besides me at Dollar Tree, honey, I ain't an item, okay? But listen, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous tabletop decors, pumpkin themed. Absolutely love this. You know, I'm feeling the fall. I'm feeling the vibes. I'm feeling, you know, the Halloween, you know, the season to be jolly. Okay, let's get into this. So Dollar Tree has these gorgeous tabletop decors. These are $1.50. They also have these little pumpkins. Absolutely love these. And as you guys see, the $1.25 is crossed out. So I'm guessing this is $1.50. They have different colors. That green is my thing, like a chicken wing. They also have some more tabletop decors over here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these colors. Beautiful. And these things are got a little weight on them. They also have this table decor over here, the porcupines. These are really, really nice. They also have the ribbon on for theme. Love this. This is 3 yards. They have the gnomes. They have the little foxes. And then also some more table decor. All right, so Dollar Tree also have the collapsible baskets. These are the smaller ones. They have this bright green. Love this. This is $1.25, and it's like 4 easy steps is a basket, honey. And then they also have this blue over here, which is absolutely great for shopping. This is a steal deal. Now, back to school items. This is definitely new. Dollar Tree has this dual-ended highlighters, peach and lemon scented. This is so cute. Love this. So you get 2 of these for $1.25. They also have the scented gel pen and highlighter, $1.25 as well. Wait, hold on. They have other scents. They have the strawberry scented highlighter and also the blueberry for $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have all their back to school items over here. These little journals, these are cute. Be present. Ooh, I like the texture of this. Absolutely love this. They have the binders, $1.25. If you guys are looking for backpacks, they also have these gorgeous backpacks. I love the color. These are $5. Love this. They also have these storage containers over here, $1.25, that comes in different colors, multiple colors. They have also the interlocking desk organizer, 5 for $1.25, which also comes in different colors. I don't know. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 80 notebook. Now, I thought it also have the pencil. Oh, pen with black ink included. Also with a little journal book. This is good to write down those gorgeous ideas that you're having, honey. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item at the Dollar Tree. Mine's definitely was that makeup palette, although I wish that it wasn't, messed up or whatever. It was that one color. But Dollar Tree is really movie groovy. Also, the caveman's, the facial scrub, that was really, really cute for $1.25. That was a steal deal like Holyfield. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves. Until next time. Peace.